It is common to feel stressed, overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and mentally exhausted during the holiday season. One effective way to manage this is through embodiment practice. One technique of embodiment practice, particularly if you find it difficult to drop into your body so you can leave your mind behind, is Buddha's triangle. This is an acupressure technique where you're simply going to just use your thumb and press it into 3 points on your wrist. You begin with 3 fingers from the crease of the wrist, and roughly about here, you'll start pushing in with your thumb. And what you're looking for is referred sensation somewhere into the hand, or maybe a sensation of tenderness. That is pericardium 6. So you're just going to massage it with your thumb. Don't worry about accuracy because you're not working with any needles. This is the interosseous membrane between the ulnar and radial bone. So you're just going to push around in there. And then you'll move to heart 7. So heart 7 is along the ulnar bone. And you're just going to try to find the creases of the wrist. And again, with your thumb, move up toward the heel of the palm. And if you feel any referral of sensation into your hands, you're in the right place, or any sensations of tenderness. And you're just going to massage it. You may hear some clicks or kind of pops of the joint, nothing to be concerned about. And then lastly, you're going to move on to lung 9. So lung 9 is along the radial bone, same place, right where the base of the thumb is. So just follow along with your finger until you feel a little sense of tenderness and or referral of sensation into your hands. And then you're just going to massage. 3 points. So just for reference, you have a point about 3 finger widths down in between the radial and ulnar bone in the interosseous membrane between the 2 bones. Just going to scan with your fingers or your thumb. Try to find a point that feels a little bit tender and just massage it. And then from here, you're going to move to heart point 7, which is somewhere at the base on the heel of the palm. Scan, just feeling around in your body for any sense of tenderness and or referral of sensation. And then lastly, lung 9, same thing, up toward the heel of the thumb, or bottom where the thumb meets the wrist, and your body's going to tell you. So you can do it on one side, and then you can repeat this practice on the other side. 3 finger widths down from the crease of the wrist in the interosseous membrane between the radial and ulnar bones. If you're having difficulty finding it, just make a soft fist, and it's between the 2, or maybe you only have 1 visible tendon right there. Expect that it will not feel uniform. Left and right will probably not feel exactly the same. And then you'll be moving over to the left side. To the ulnar side where the pinky is. Right at the crease of the wrist at the base of the palm. Feeling again for tenderness and or referral of sensation into the hands. Just massaging around. And then moving to the radial side. Trying to find your little tender point near the thumb and the wrist, where the thumb meets the wrist. And just massaging. The beauty of this is that you can do this at any point if you're feeling activated. Say, for instance, you're in a conversation that makes you uncomfortable. All you have to do is just simply massage your wrists and you will hit the points. Since you're not working with needles, you don't need to worry about accuracy of where you are pressing. This is just simple self-acupressure technique. But it is effective in calming the nervous system into making you feel sensation within the body. At least momentarily, it will take your awareness from the workings of your mind and into your body. So that is the Buddha's triangle technique for embodiment. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a lovely holiday.